Hi everyone, welcome back to What the Sauce. Hi Delisha.
ज्यादा थोड़ा एनर्जेटिक हो सकते हैं आप तो बहुत
Uh,
बहरबानी होगी.
Hi everyone, welcome back to What the Sauce. Hi Delisha.
Hi Saroj, how are you?
Can you overdo that? इससे ज़्यादा तुम energetic हो सकती हो?
मैं कर लेती लेकिन अभी सब सो रहे हैं.
I'm sorry अगर मैंने किसी के जो है ना कान के पर्दे फाड़ दिए, but Delisha prompted me to be more energetic. Okay.
You literally were like this. Hello everybody, welcome to What the Sauce. This is what we're doing. इतना
we're
मोनोटोन और कोई बंदा बोलेगा तो मैं बोलूँगी और एनर्जेटिक हो.
We're recording at 12 a.m. Okay, मैं सुबह 9 बजे का उठा हूँ. मैं जिम भी जाता हूँ. मैं बहुत सारे काम करता हूँ. I'm a busy
तो
person.
मैंने
Okay.
कहा था कि रात के 12 बजे करना.
Yeah, exactly तुमने बोला था. Word to word तुमने बोला था कि रात के 12 बजे करेंगे.
तुमने कहा था, मैंने कहा था हम रात के 10 बजे कर दे. तुमने कहा
11.
10 बजे 12 बजे कर सकते हैं क्या?
So, what have you been up to
अच्छा.
the past two,
No,
three
don't
days?
divert away from the topic. Don't divert away from the topic. I know what you're doing. Admit कि तुमने 12 बजे कहा था.
I mean, she said 11. I said एक घंटा और लेट कर लेते हैं. इसमें क्या जा
अच्छा
सकता
तो
है?
okay, just continue भाई. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what did you do the past 2, 3, 4 days? तुम गायब थी.
Okay, so I didn't really do a lot. Okay. I'm gonna say this very, very Aista,
Okay.
but I got two new piercings and no one knows about it.
Really? Yeah,
Yeah,
rebellious move, buddy.
yeah. Like it's been like 2 days and no one's noticed it.
कहाँ
Like
पे?
मैं अपनी
Is
बालों
it is it on belly button?
ew, shut the fuck up. No, it's on my ear. So basically, I already
Lame.
have this one wow. So basically, you know that कान के जो ऊपर वाला कर्व होता है ना, जो उसमें नीचे
Yeah.
जगह होती है फ्लैट स्पेस, वहां पे मेरा
Mm-hmm.
ऑलरेडी एक हुआ हुआ है. तो मैंने वहां पे दो और करा दिए. So it's like a triangle now. So
Wow. That's
yeah, I
brave.
got that done. Yeah, I mean, I just have a high pain tolerance, but I got that done, and like I like still have to like tell my mom, and I'm so scared. But
Your
that's like
mom doesn't
the
know,
most
right?
recent thing. No, no one knows in my family.
Oh, that's
Maybe
cool.
she knows now.
That's a
She's a
rebellious
jasoos.
move.
It is rebellious. I've never done anything. That's like the most like rebellious thing I've ever done in my entire life.
I mean, that's just depressing. Okay.
That's just depressing, but like I just can't. Anyways, that's what I did. Like that's the most recent thing I've done. What about you?
I've been just working in the gym a lot. मैं जाता हूँ I don't know for 1.5 hours sometime to थोड़ी सी running, cardio हो गई साथ में फिर
Do you
exercise
lift?
वगैरह. Do I what?
Lift.
Yeah, I do lift. तुमने मेरे डोले देखे तुम्हें अंदाजा नहीं
I
होता
saw.
कि I
Oh,
lift.
I saw your guns in the video. The last one. I saw your guns of the game.
You did?
I saw when you were like,
Yeah.
and I saw that. I'm like, damn. You know, Instagram, so you can't like, you have to see the whole video again if you want to watch like a
Yeah.
specific part.
Yeah.
I literally repeated it 3 times. So I'm like, am I sure? Did I see that or am I tripping?
So
But like, they were
so you
there.
repeated the video 3 times for my dole instead of my humor, huh? I mean,
Pretty much.
that's
Okay.
life, okay? That's sad.
Yeah, whatever. But that's what I did. Oh, you know, one more thing that I think we can like talk about and you can like, really back me up on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't know if you can actually. Okay. So basically, there was this one day where I was like in bed, like subah ke kuch 4 baje हुए थे, and I was like trying to go to sleep, but I was on my phone, you know. और
Yeah.
फोन पे पुराने पुराने like full time classic traditional पाकिस्तानी गाने सुन, like pure पाकिस्तानी गाने. Like मैं कोक स्टूडियो के पुराने पुराने गाने ढूंढ रही हूँ और सारे underrated पाकिस्तानी गाने वो मैं सुन रही हूँ. And then I came to the conclusion, I've heard other people say this, and I haven't disagreed with them, but I didn't really, you know, completely agree with them. And that's, you know, people say that, like people, like my cousin said that Pakistani music is better than Indian music. So that like in music wise, Pakistan is like way better.
Yeah.
So like I've heard that a lot from like a lot of friends and people in my family. So and I've never been like no, yeah, so to nahi, but I've never also been like yeah for sure. But now I 100%
Yeah.
agree because dude, our songs are the shit.
I mean,
We are talented.
I kind of agree with you, but recently अब जो दौर आया है ना ये 2016 2017 के बाद we've been producing shit.
I mean, I'm talking about like the traditional type जो गाने
Yeah,
होते हैं ना, लेकिन
हाँ
कोक स्टूडियो जैसे
2010.
कि या पुराने गाने को लाइक थोड़ा सा मॉडर्नाइज करके जो करते हैं ना, लाइक
Yeah,
वो मैं इसकी बात करी लाइक ब्रो दैट्स सो फ्रिकिंग गुड,
yeah,
they're so
yeah.
good.
Jal
Do you
Band.
listen to Coke Studio? Yeah,
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 I mean,
yeah.
who doesn't listen to Coke Studio? But
What's your
I was really disappointed. Like वो जो season 9 के बाद जो है ना, it just went downhill. Okay, I mean, a few songs,
yeah.
sure. जिस तरह अभी recent में था वो अल्लाहू, उसका the guy who fucked up the
Below.
national anthem.
Oh, I
What's
don't know.
his
I know what you're
name?
talking about.
Yeah, he has long hair और वो उसका अल्लाहू था, and that was really nice season 11 में.
Yeah.
उसके बाद I didn't like और कोई सा नहीं था जिस तरह season. I think it was 8 जिसमें अली अजमत था, आतिफ असलम था, और वो मोमना मुस्तहसिन वाले जो रैक्ड अराउंड 200 million views and 250 million views,
Yeah,
और वो
yeah,
सारा
yeah.
वो सीन दोबारा नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, I think season 9, 10, 8, 9, 10 were so good.
Yeah.
Like, okay, what's your favorite song from Coke Studio?
My favorite song. Oof, that's a tough one.
That is a tough one.
I think it's one of Atif Aslam's.
Which one? Which one, bro? I have one Atif Aslam song that literally no one, like whoever I've told about, they don't know what it is. It's
Which
like,
one?
it's just so good. तो हमने पहले बता.
यार वो जो उसका वो नहीं है, नाथ
ताजदारे
टाइप
हरफ.
जो था, ताजदारे
ताजदारे
हरम.
हरफ.
Yes.
Yes, I love that. I literally know every single word. Okay, so the song that I'm talking about is Channa.
Yeah, I've heard it.
You've heard Channa?
I think so. A long time back. काफी पुराना है ना ये?
बहुत पुराना है, bro. That
Yeah.
song is my favorite song. Not even kidding. One of my favorite songs from Coke Studio. That song is so good. Because I remember जो वो जो season था ना उनका जिसके अंदर ये गाना आया था, उसके अंदर all the like background वाले vocals, like जो instruments बजाए थे ना, they were all foreign. Like everyone was from abroad. Like there was this guy playing like an instrument जो दुनिया में I think सिर्फ 100 लोग को बजाना आता है. And
Yeah.
then they were like white people playing the guitar, and then a lot of ethnicities basically. Just like foreign लोग बाहर से violins play कर रहे हैं. And I remember
Makes sense.
वो सारे गाने fusion थे. It was like Western and Pakistani music का थोड़ा बहुत fusion था उस season के अंदर.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I love that song so much, and literally no one knows what song that is. मैं जब भी लगाती हूँ they're like ये क्या लगा दिया? अच्छा वो मोमिना मुस्तैसिम राहत फतेह अली खान का लगाओ or something. Not that
Yeah.
that's not good,
वो
but
बहुत
like yeah.
cliche हो गया ना. Everyone listens to it.
But it's a good song. Oh, have you heard? Sorry, bolo.
Do you like Momna Mustahsin's voice?
Bro, I love her voice. It's so different. I've never heard a voice like hers before. Like I was literally listening because there's this song of hers which is called Ghumtana, and it's her and like a girl group called Irtiash or something. Yeah. So it's like her and that group singing like an old song. I think it's an old strings sagana. So I was listening to that song, and bro, her voice is like very different. Like the way she uses like her high notes and low notes. Like I've never heard a voice like hers before. It's very smooth, but it's also very powerful. Why do you not like it?
I might have a controversial opinion over here.
You don't
but
like her voice?
It's annoying. Like sometimes
Really?
तुम्हें उसकी आवाज बहुत पसंद आएगी, but other times it hurts your ears. बहुत पतली है, it's just high frequency, जैसे कभी तुमने प्लेट के ऊपर की को जो है ना वो घुमाओ ना जोर से, उस तरह की आवाज निकलती है.
Example though. Give me an example of which song you're talking about, so I know what you're saying.
I'm just talking about her high notes in general. कि उसके जो हाई नोट्स है ना वो इतने पतले हो जाते हैं ना कि जस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसीज लाइक वो चाबी वाली एग्जांपल मैंने दी ना प्लेट पे, तो तुम
Yeah, I can see that. I understand where you're coming from. But I don't know, there's like a softness to her voice, which is like really nice. I really like her voice.
I think
I understand.
सॉफ्ट वॉइसेस तब होती हैं जब आपकी वॉइस थोड़ी ग्रेवली हो और उसमें यानी जो है ना वेट हो और उसकी जो है ना पिच हाई हो लेकिन फ्रीक्वेंसी उसकी लो हो, तब आपकी वॉइस सॉफ्ट हो सकती है। लेकिन आई थिंक अदर जब उसको तुम टर्न अराउंड कर देती हो, फ्रीक्वेंसी हाई और पिच लो, तो वो जो है ना आपकी बहुत शार्प सी वॉइस हो जाती है।
Yeah, I
Wow, that's
understand. I
so cool.
understand. I can see. I can. I
I'm
can see
actually
you
impressed.
thinking
I'm
that.
actually impressed with myself. मुझे
Myself,
knowledge.
yeah, even I was like, damn,
Yeah, that's
wow,
so cool.
but Vince, no, but like I understand, like I can see why you wouldn't like her, but I genuinely really like her voice. I was
Yeah.
like, there's that one part that she does in the song, and I put it on repeat again and again because it's very nice. But like, छोड़ो. Okay, other Pakistani singers. Are you an Atif Aslam fan?
I mean, who isn't?
Yeah, true,
We
true.
basically grew up listening to Atif Aslam.
I swear. Do you
Yeah.
think he's overrated?
I don't think so. The control he
Yeah.
has over his voice.
Oh,
That I mean, बाकी उसकी voice के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा. वो लोगों का अपना opinion हो सकता है कि overrated,
yeah, yeah,
underrated, whatever. लेकिन the
yeah.
control he has over his voice, I
Oh
mean,
my God.
that's just phenomenal. That's phenomenal. That's very
Amazing.
hard to do.
Yeah, and bro, his voice, and not just his songs. I remember when he came, my dad, like he's in the business, right? Media ka business, and I literally remember, like I was like a little kid. He came home and like they were talking about कि जो छोटे छोटे like खाने की जगह like bars होते हैं, hotel bars
Yeah,
जहाँ पे एक बंदा गिटार बजा रहा होता है और गाना गा रहा होता है. He
yeah.
said कि एक नया बच्चा है, there's a new kid in town, कोई आतिफ असलम नाम है उसका, वो I think अच्छा है. Literally, I remember my dad saying that, and like this is what happened, and I think that's so cool. Like I literally grew up with his songs. You know that his first album, Duri,
Yeah.
or like his song like
दूरी
Jal Pari, and then it was a Kuch Is Tarha, God,
तेरी
those
पल
are
के
the best.
ये
Yes,
तो जो है ना इस तरह है कि
these songs
हर
are the
बंदे का
shit.
या everyone listening
And
to it जिस तरह I remember around 2012 2013 बिलाल खान का बचाना जो था
mm-hmm,
have you heard it
mm-hmm.
तन्हाई के सफर में चल तो ये वाला it goes like that so
I don't know. I might have heard it. I
oh
can't put
my
it together.
god I mean it was every guy with a guitar yeah he was singing that absolutely और एक और वो इंडियन मूवी थी आई डोंट रिमेम्बर जिसका वो बड़ा रोमांटिक आशिकी 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 तो उसका क्या है आई कैंट रिमेम्बर क्योंकि
What?
तुम ही हो और
Oh, Ankit Tiwari.
या वो ये जो गाना जिसका भी मैंने लिरिक थोड़ा सा बोला
हाँ, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम
यस
ही हो,
यस 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 यस
जिंदगी है. And
लोग
also
किस
the
तरह
other one, सुन
सुनते थे
रहा
उफ,
है ना तुम.
बहुत
Yes.
बुरे तरीके से सुनते थे लोग उसको यानी पागलों की तरह सुनते थे
But that song was so good though. I remember the songs, dude. Every single song in that movie is just bomb. It's so good.
yeah I mean
I thought you didn't listen to Bollywood songs.
I don't लेकिन द थिंग इज कि एवरीवन जब गाड़ी में बैठे होते थे और सब में से कोई एक लगा देता है आई वुड गो लाइक यार नहीं 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 सुनना ये अब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस अब मैं कहता हूँ नहीं ऑक्स मेरी होगी ब्लूटूथ मेरा होगा गाड़ी मेरी है तो गाने भी मेरे चलेंगे
Oh, I remember like one of the first ever conversations we had was like, okay, so there's this guy, you know who Ayushmann Khurrana is, right?
yeah
Yeah. So I remember Sarosh looks like him, or I thought he looked like him. And my friend told me he looks
oh
like him too. And I sent you a picture of him, and I'm like, oh my god, you look like him. And then you, in such a dry ass reply, said, who's that? And I'm like, that's Ayushmann Khurrana. You look like him. And I'm like, you don't know who he is. And you're like, I don't listen to Bollywood songs, or I don't watch Bollywood movies.
I
I'm
mean
like, okay then.
I actually had to Google him to find out who he was
But your reply was so dry. I was low-key kind of like, damn, okay. Why were you so dry, huh?
I'm a badass okay I'm just a badass
That's not badass. That's just rude. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the conversation on the screen right now on the YouTube video, so you guys can see how rude he was to me.
I mean, the thing is कि जितना अब तुम सोचती हो ना उतना I don't think that much. So maybe
Yeah.
it might have been dry on your end, but मुझे लगा normal reply क्या था
मैंने तुम्हें 6 messages भेजे थे एक साथ, and you just sent okay. Like that's what you do. That's just rude.
Was that the first text you sent me, right?
That was the first ever text I sent you. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just sent you a picture of that dude with "you look like him." Wow. Dude, our first like impressions and like first like initiations and conversations are so weird. Like,
I know,
why is
right?
that?
I
Fucking
don't want to even think
patience.
about it. I don't even want to think about it. It's just cringy at this
It's
point.
so
Okay.
cringy. Why did we do that? Like me and my patience, and then you and your Arishman Khurrana. Like I genuinely cannot.
देखो,
Why are we like this?
the thing was कि तो हम लोगों का जो है ना जो फर्स्ट 3D की क्लास हुई थी उसमें
Mm-hmm.
हमने पहले बात की थी कि बीडी की क्लास में पहले बात की थी जिसमें हम तीन थे
बीडी की
मैं था
क्लास में
नरीम उम्मे और तुम थी मेरे ख्याल में
कब की बात कर रही हो?
जिसमें हम जो फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट थी जिसमें जो है ना वो जूट रोप यूज की थी
That
और
was
हमने जो है ना
drawing. That was drawing. That was the first
नहीं
time we talked.
ओह या बट
Yeah.
उसमें जो है ना वी टॉक फॉर अ बिट बट उसके बाद मेरे ख्याल में बीडी में बात हुई थी हमारी
Yeah, the first time only you and I like alag se baat like one on one was BD, and that was the worst conversation in the history of mankind. Like
yeah that
absolutely
was a very
horrible.
bad
I don't know
conversation.
who the hell that person was.
Arey, the thing was कि I was trying hard to start a conversation because we were supposed to sit there for like 3 hours or I don't know what. ठीक है और तुमने जो है ना आगे से ऐसा अजीब सा टॉपिक छेड़ दिया था और आई वाज लाइक अब मैं रूड लगूंगा कि मैं बोलूंगा पेशेंस fuck that ना ना मैंने कहा ओह मैं फैंसी हो गया एकदम से मैंने कहा
Ew.
ooh पेशेंस yeah teach me that तो
Teach me that. Oh
yeah
God.
I mean
Why?
इसको छोड़ दो प्लीज हम किसी
Bro,
और चीज के बारे में
can we
बात करते
please
हैं
move on to something
yeah
else? Oh my God. Oh, let's talk about university. It's starting in like less than 10 days.
yeah I hope कि online classes now please anyone who's listening from
Please,
admin
please. Oh my God,
uh,
please.
please simply please
Please.
but okay what do you think about the elections council elections
अरे यार भाई
oh
यार
controversial opinions come on come on
okay no you start first
देखो तुम सेफ प्ले कर रही हो अब जो तुम्हारे पास है प्लीज लेट ऑन मी
नहीं नहीं पहले तुम बोलो फिर मैं फॉलो अप कर दूंगी
okay basically I don't this is the first time I'm visibly or personally seeing कि ये सीन जो सारा हो रहा है कि इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं एंड आई नेवर हर्ड अबाउट फाउंडेशन रैप क्योंकि पिछले 6 महीने में किसी एक बंदे ने आके नहीं बोला कि भाई मैं
हाँ
तो
मेंशन
फाउंडेशन
नहीं किया
रैप
या
हूँ और तुम किसी को मसला हो तो मेरे पास आ जाएगी नो वन सेड दैट टू मी
या लिटरली नो वन सेड
तुम
दैट
लोगों का मुझे नहीं पता लेकिन मेरे पास कोई भी नहीं आया और किसी ने नहीं बोला बट the second thing is people aren't really taking it how do I put it कि
सीरियसली
seriously नहीं but like logically like a lot of
या
manifestos I saw उसमें जो है ना ऐसी अथॉरिटी ऐसी पावर की बात हो रही थी which I don't even think the admins have कि हम ये कर लेंगे और इसको ऐसे चेंज कर लेंगे ऐसे चेंज कर लेंगे आई एम लाइक ऐसे होता तो बाकी पिछले जो रेप्स थे उन्होंने क्यों नहीं किया ऐसे
Yeah, I don't know. It's just a very. I don't want to like offend anybody. Okay, the thing is, कि I've just been like one thing that's just really been kind of annoying me. I can't even believe I'm saying this, but like okay, so you know, someone asked me to like vote for them. अपना एक भेजते हैं ना कि एक तस्वीर होती है उसके ऊपर लिखा है vote for blah blah and like
या
whatever. So everyone's like शुरू में शुरू हुआ था people who I know are sending me shit right and people who I do know मैंने उनका लगा दिया and I didn't just specifically vote for one person अगर एक बंदा if like two people are running for the same thing and they send me बताएं कि can you please put this मैं दोनों का लगाऊंगी I'm not just like only one person you know but the thing that's like kind of getting on my nerves कि मुझे हर दिन एक नई layout आती है हर दिन I'm like भाई I already put a story up like what do you want from me like मैंने एक बंदे के लिए like 3 लगा चुकी हूँ मैं
that part actually that doesn't make any sense to me क्योंकि
it doesn't make any sense to me either
I saw a lot of people जो है ना जिस तरह अब फाउंडेशन रैप के लिए 2 बंदे हैं सही है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो एक बंदा है वो उसको भी बोल रहा है कि आई विल वोट फॉर यू, और जब दूसरे बंदे का इंटरव्यू आया और या जो लाइव सीन हुआ उसको भी बोल रहा है कि आई विल वोट फॉर यू. आई मीन हाउ डज दैट वर्क?
I don't
आप
know how it
दोनों
works.
को तो
It's
खुश
just
कर रहे हो उनके सामने, बट यू हैव टू वोट फॉर वन पर्सन. जस्ट तुम बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि आई विल वोट फॉर यू एंड आई विल वोट फॉर यू. जस्ट कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ एंड देन वोट फॉर whoever you want.
yeah, exactly. Like I'm so thankful that I kind of have like the boundary of being able to say no to people. Like
Yeah.
there've been people जिन लोग ने मुझे like कि पता नहीं अपनी भी नहीं अपनी दोस्त की भेजी जिनको मैं literally नहीं जानती हूँ, मेरे Instagram पे हैं पे भी नहीं, they're not even on my Instagram, right? उनका मुझे भेजा and I literally wrote back कि, oh I'm sorry, I don't know who they are,
Yeah.
and people have been like okay, go so far. I'm
That's
so glad.
actually the proper way to do it. Honestly, that's
Yeah.
actually the proper way to do it. कि आप refuse कर दो क्योंकि you have your reservation ना, आप
Exactly.
किसी reason, but this goes without saying कि when I was hearing the speeches, there were a lot of very sincere speeches. अब एक example मैं बंदे का नाम नहीं लूँगा, but the thing is कि you make a lot of promises, but they're mostly empty promises. सही है? If you don't
Yeah.
have any actual evidence to back it up with, तो एक person आधा तो मैंने बता दिया. तो
Bleep it out.
yeah, thanks. तो उसने जो है ना started it's very like उसने कोई खास बड़े promises वगैरह नहीं किए, but उसने जब अपनी एक बात बताई कि I want to be there for people foundation rap वाले बंदे जो भी हैं. क्या हुआ?
I know what you're talking about.
You know ना, right? तो back to it up with an example कि he would call people and he would talk to them like for I don't know an hour or 2 hours, or would like give them proper advice और वो सारी चीजें. तो इस example से पता चलता है in back up manifesto, in back up जो भी उसने जो है ना पॉइंट्स लिखे थे कि आई सपोर्ट दैट, बट अदर पीपल जिनको जो है ना जिन्होंने आज तक जो है ना किसी दूसरे से बात नहीं की, यानी आप इतना आप में नहीं है कि आप किसी को जाके जो है ना एक एडवाइस दे दो. एडवाइस तो दूर की बात है, यू डोंट इवन टॉक टू अदर पीपल. बात ही नहीं की, और आप जो है ना अपने मैनिफेस्टो में लिखा है कि आई विल डू दिस फॉर एवरीवन. आई मीन इट्स सो फेक.
Yeah, because honestly, it's even if the person tries to do that, it's not realistic. Like, कितने students हैं? Like, 1,000, right? Like, it's like physically impossible for you to like be there for each and every person. Like,
But
I'm not like, हाँ बोलो.
do you think that if we were in their place, we would have done the same thing?
I honestly, okay, so the thing with me is that I'm like kind of like the student council type of person. A lot of people ask me why I didn't run for it and blah blah. That's another story. But the thing is that like I would have like I feel like मैं जो भी बोलती ना वो बहुत realistic सा बोलती, because I think you know too that I'm a very realistic person in the sense like मैं बहुत realistically सोचती हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत कभी कभी वो हो जाता है pessimistic, but I still think realistically, right? And I don't get stuck in the कि मैं इतना optimism और इतना वो अच्छा नहीं होता. So I keep it realistic. So I think whatever I would have said, मैं simple कहती, because the thing is कि if you go above and beyond and say shit like I'll be there for every single person there, like even it doesn't take a dumb person to like to know that that's just not gonna happen, you know. So I feel like I would just keep like I would honestly come up with like a slogan or like a simple message that if you like do this then this will happen, like a very short and sweet thing that if you do this I will try my best. I'm not gonna make promises कि मैं ये करूँगा मैं ये करूँगी. The effort I'll be like I'll put in effort and I'll try to make this a therapy. Whatever problems you guys have, I'll try my best to make them happen. I won't just be like I will make it happen. You know what I mean?
I think that's the best approach, and that's a realistic approach, and that's easy to sell. आप जब जो है ना you say I'll go above and beyond just for you, तो एक तो आप तो जो है ना एक स्पेशल बंदे को फील करा रहे हो just for a short period. But when you actually come to do it, actually come to perform, and that person needs you, and you won't be able to do right by them, that would actually make them feel bad. कि भाई इसने तो मुझे इस तरह बोला था. So I think the best approach या मैं जो चाहूँगा कि the person brings it to the table is the guy या the gal researches कि जो है ना बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जो काउंसिल बॉडी होती है या हमारी आईबीएस की जो पुरानी काउंसिल बॉडीज़ है उन्होंने क्या क्या एक्शन लिए, उनकी लिमिटेशंस
Yeah.
क्या थी एंड उनकी पावर्स क्या थी एंड उनकी बाउंड्रीज क्या थी जिसमें वो एक्शन ले सकते थे और प्लीड कर सकते थे, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते थे, क्योंकि एक्शन आई डोंट थिंक रेप्स एक्शन ले सकते हैं, दे कैन जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट, they can just plead, they can just inform, और उससे ज्यादा वो कुछ खास कर नहीं सकते वो
Yeah, I was about to say that this is the exact thing. Yeah, I was about to say that if like the thing is, if it were me, right? Even if you want to make promises that I will do this specific thing, I would do my research on it. Like I would literally देखो I would like see के अच्छा इस बंदे ने देखा था सबसे बड़ी problem होती है क्या students को like university के साथ, and then I'll like try to figure out solutions in my head right then and there, and then I'd mention that specific thing. ये तो बहुत लंबा हो जाता है in like campaigning, but if I was giving my speech, I'd mention specific issues, which
yeah
then that shows that you know your shit. So I feel
yeah
like that's also better, you know?
that also shows sincerity कि आप जो कर
Exactly.
रहे हो you're doing it to be sincere, not to just stand out, क्योंकि I feel like people do opt for these things just because they want to stand out, just because they want to wear a red ribbon और अम्मी मेरे पास red ribbon है और बाकी किसी के पास नहीं है. A lot of people want to do that कि हम वो रेड पट्टा ऊपर बांध लिया और भाई मैं तो प्रेस हूँ, मैं तो वाइस प्रेस हूँ, आई मीन, और करना कुछ खास नहीं है. सो इफ यू आर एक्चुअली सीरियस और यू डू योर रिसर्च एंड यू
Yeah.
रियलिस्टिक गोल्स हो आपके, रियलिस्टिक अप्रोच हो, तो आई थिंक पीपल विल एक्चुअली वोट फॉर यू.
Yeah. Completely agree.
Do you think you'll stand या रन करोगी नेक्स्ट ईयर?
Yeah, I definitely think so. The thing is, the literal only reason I didn't like go ahead of for anything this year is because like I just don't have the confidence in me to deal with all of that and like being put on
Yeah,
the spot and being asked questions. Like I freeze, okay, and like I talk a lot.
it
Yeah,
makes
I
sense.
either just talk a lot or I just freeze. So I want to go in with the mental capacity of like knowing what's to come, because I feel like I won't be one. You know, I feel like a lot of people just go in being like, oh, mere resume pe hoga, and like, oh, I'll look good, it'll be good on paper or whatever, you know. But they don't really know how to do it. I genuinely, sincerely wanna like put in effort and try to like help the student body, and I don't want to do something that I know I can't do. That's like the literal reason why I didn't. So I feel like in next year, I feel like I'll know more about the university campus or campus life, how it works. Because we've literally only gone to school for like what, a few months, so we
Uh,
don't know shit. So I
yeah.
feel like when I've spent some time in the institution, I'll know more about it. I know more about the nooks and crannies and how chup chup ki cheez hoti hai or whatever, you know. So when I feel like I have more knowledge, I'll get more confidence and be like get used to being around this space. So I feel like I'll do a better job.
Whatever
So
you
yeah, I would
said,
definitely run next year.
whatever you said just right now just makes me so proud. Honestly, it does. Because that's like the perfect approach to do things. To be
Yeah.
sincere. अब मैं बार बार उसको जो है ना reinstate कर रहा हूँ कि sincerity, but that's my point कि do whatever you want to do, be sincere with it, especially when it comes to having a little bit of authority. Well, that's it. That's the
Yeah.
gist of it.
Yeah, I feel like if your intentions are pure, good things are gonna happen. Because the thing is, it's all gonna like pan out well for you. अगर intention अच्छी नहीं होते ना, then like it's just not even worth it. I think so. Like, why would you want to put yourself through that? Even if I could do it, you know, if I don't want to, तो फिर मजा ही नहीं आएगा. I want to
Yeah.
go like full head in and like put effort in and like work. That's just literally it.
Yeah. So
What about you?
I'll probably run for one.
What
I
would you
think.
run for?
I mean, foundy वाला scene तो हट जाएगा. तो I think event. I'm not basically from Karachi, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to handle that. But sports is something that I might be interested in.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. But कौन-कौन सी positions है? Foundry rep है, एक तो vice president है जो seniors के लिए I think.
Yeah. And then your own departments.
Oh yeah, I think I could be a department person.
Ooh, that'll be fun. क्योंकि
I think I could do that.
तुम्हारे department में there are some other people that I know, and they might want to run for one place as well. So it might be
Who
fun.
are you talking about?
You know who I'm talking about.
I don't know who you're talking about. Please
Just
enlighten
make a
me.
guess. the
Okay,
person
ठीक
the
है.
person who cannot be named. Okay, just make that guess.
The one who shall not be
Yeah,
named.
the one who shall not be named. So it might be fun. Thoda drama, thoda sauce. It'll actually be
Ooh,
good.
guys, people don't know who we're talking about. Okay, some people might, but like,
I mean,
anyway.
yeah. So I
Okay, I
think,
feel like that's it for today.
yeah. The election date तुम्हें याद है 24th है ना? I think.
26th August. I think 26th.
I don't know. Google कर लेना या Instagram पे चले
I'm
जाना.
pretty sure it's 26th.
Indus Valley School of Arts या IBS Council, and you can get the dates from there. Voting starts from 9 a.m. So please make sure कि आप किसी को vote कर रहे हो. Not just because they're your friends.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Vote for someone who
just
you
go
actually
करना
think
करो.
will make a difference.
It won't even matter क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. Online classes और ये no one will care in
Yeah.
2 months क्योंकि इतना कोर्स इतना ज़्यादा काम होगा ना कि किसी को पता ही नहीं चलेगा, किसी को अपनी खबर नहीं होगी, काउंसिल और बाकी चीज़ें तो दूर की बात है.
Yeah.
So we started on a very high note. I think Delisha, you should take it the same way or high note पे इसको end कर दो.
But like everyone's sleeping, look सुन लेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, I'll do my YouTube outro. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. If you're listening to this on YouTube, please go and subscribe and turn post notifications on so you're notified whenever we upload a new podcast.
Holy
if you're listening
fuck.
to this on Spotify, please share it with your friends. If you're listening it to, wow, I got two coffee.
Yay!
Anyways.
I mean, it was really
Okay.
good. It was really good. जब तक सही चल रहा था बहुत अच्छा था. उसके बाद
Anyways, well, okay. If you're on YouTube and if you don't want to listen to it on YouTube, it's also available on Spotify and on Anchor, so you can listen to it while doing other stuff as well.
और you can just like mute कर दो और YouTube पे जो है इसको बैकग्राउंड में प्ले करने दो. प्लीज मुझे वॉच टाइम चाहिए. मैंने मोनेटाइज कराना है और मुझे पैसे चाहिए. तो बेशक इसको म्यूट करके अपने लैपटॉप पे बैकग्राउंड में चलने दो प्लीज.
हाँ, और रिपीट करते रहो, बार-बार देखते रहो कि व्यूज भी और बढ़े.
हाँ, रिपीट.
Oh my god. Astaghfirullah, चलो मुझे. Anyways, okay. Bye sausages.
Bye guys.